tayo sa iba, yung sa amin dito mahiligay noon o sa mga Ilonggo, the word suhot, backstabbing sa English. Tagalog, kalimutan ko, hindi naman ako perfecto ka naman. Ganito na talaga ako. Gusto ko maging formal. Pag may ngipin ako, iba. Gusto ko ganito, ganyan. Ganyan talaga. Mahirap kapag kinontra. Yung tanong, alam mo sa labas, bakit pa? Yung mga inutusan, dito sa amin, kung hindi ko binigay yung informasyon, pati about the information about the Duchy of Lancaster, not knowing first reason who got the role after the king died, the husband of the late great Queen Elizabeth II. Yun lang, royal family of Wales ang hindi nyo alam. Financial problem nyo, sino? Wala akong magagawa. Alam ko ibang gumagamit ng account. I know, different person abusing my account, but what? I'm the only person. I enter. I have to. Why? For also the benefits of me. Ayaw ko man. Pero pinasok ko niya ako finance. Yung istorya, yun lang. Kung sila, prove nila kung sino yun. Royal family, lahat ng mga royal family, royal. Alamin nyo kung sila paano. Yun lang. Kahit royal, at I'm very thankful about the royal family of Wales. I know now the agreement. I'm just waiting here. I've said the address lately. That's it. You don't know. Quality is bigger than quantity.